back, everybody. Going kid-friendly this time. Good old chocolate milk. And no, I didn't put rum in it. Although this would be really good with some Baileys. I don't know, kid-friendly, kid-friendly. So speaking of kids, if you love to cook and there's nothing that brings you more joy than a culinary challenge and to really show off your skills in the kitchen, well, having kids can really suck that aspiration out of you. I said kid-friendly, right? Seriously though, I love my kids and it was a lot of fun when they were growing up, but they didn't want chicken parmesan and asparagus, they wanted mac and cheese and hot dogs. What you gotta do is find some recipes that are fun for you and them to make together and that they love to eat. And this is one of those recipes. This is mini cheeseburger pies. My kids absolutely love this, and I'm just gonna do a single batch, but when I made this for my kids, I had to at least do triple, sometimes 4 times. So let's get this oven turned on and let's get started. 375. So we've got some ground beef, we got half a cup of milk, some cheddar cheese, some A1 steak sauce, Bisquick, some eggs, and you can use garlic salt, but I like Penzeys sandwich sprinkle for this one. Penzeys sandwich sprinkle is one of the best spice blends that they have made, and I can't say enough good things about it. Link in the description. We are gonna need some cupcake liners. Now onion and tomato, maybe, depending on your kids. And we've got some kosher baby dills that we can serve on the side, or that you can eat while you're trying to cook them, and then there's nothing left for anyone else. All right, oven is on, so let's cook the hamburger. Chop, 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 chop. I'm gonna operate on the assumption that we do want onions. Now, if you really wanna have some fun cooking with the kids, you let them cut the onions and watch their eyes all swell up. That's all kinds of good fun. Oh, serve me right. And if you've got some grease in there, you want to drain that out. But once that's done, we're gonna take this and transfer it to a bowl here. And we're gonna let that cool off for about 5 minutes. Okay, so now that that's cooled off, we're going to add a tablespoon of A1 steak sauce, a teaspoon of the sandwich sprinkle, and a cup of cheddar cheese. Mix that all up together. Now this stuff alone is good just to eat right out of the bowl. Yummy. Now we put that aside and we're gonna get ready to make our baking mixture. Gonna need our half cup of milk, half a cup of Bisquick. Try not to spill it all over the counter like I did. And our 2 eggs. Without shells would be preferred. Whisk that all up together until it's nice and smooth. Now we need to get out our muffin pan.
Where is that muffin pan? There it is. Found it.
I'm okay. So we need to get these ready. I just take these out of here and just use the foil part. Now we want to give each of these just a little spray of cooking spray, not too much. We're going to start by putting a tablespoon of the baking mixture into each cup. Right, and then we put our burger mixture into each one. This little scoop is about 2 tablespoons, so it comes out to about 1/4 of a cup for each one of these. Okay, got a little bit left, so if it looks like any of them are a little short, you can just fill in where you need to. Okay, even everything out best you can. Now we're going to top each one with another tablespoon of our baking mixture. Get towards the end, it almost feels like, oh no, it's not going to be enough. It always works out. All right, and we're going to put that in the oven 30 minutes. Here we are. It's a good idea to stick a toothpick in there and make sure it comes out clean, that you don't have any Bisquick on it. So you can top these with some diced tomatoes if you want. You can sprinkle a little more cheese. Heck, you can put some dill relish on top if you wanted to. Put some ketchup and mustard on the side. They can dip them in there. So have some fun with your kids. They're little for such a short period of time, and this is a fun dish that you can make together in the kitchen. And let's face it, adulthood is overrated anyway. And that's my daily reminder to take my fiber.